This is a comparison between Hyperland, Sway, and River. Hyperland is a modern compositor of with the looks. It provides the latest Wayland features, dynamic feeling, and it has a smooth, easy to configure dynamic tiling. It is also available in tiling support, socket-based IPC, window groups, and special workspaces. On the other hand, Sway is a tiling Wayland compositor and a drop-in replacement for i3 Window Manager for X11. It works with your existing 1.3 configuration. So if you have 1.3 configuration, Sway is the good one for you. Next is River. River is an invest Bitcoin with confidence, which is featured in Fortune, Bloomberg, Forbes. So when you're looking for a high quality Bitcoin purchases app, so this one is the good one for you. Now here's a table for a concise comparison. So let's start with the Hyperland to philosophy and tiling. Hyperland has a dynamic and eye candy. Sway has a manual and precise, while River has a dynamic and scriptable. For configuration style, Hyperland has a custom configuration that uses own specific syntax. Sway has a 3 compatible. If you know 1, 3, YM, you already know Sway, and River is uses language agnostic. The configure is actually a script. So if you're looking for a dynamic and eye candy that is easy to use, you can go to Hyperland. But if you want to do it manually, you can go to Sway. But if you want to be a scriptable size and there is a guide for you to be able to use it, then you can go for River. And that is the comparison between the Hyperland, Sway, and River. You can now go ahead and choose which one is the easier for you to use or which one is more compatible for you to use.